Good morning, my beautiful people. Today is a big day. I hope I can install the engine. I have time until 6 o'clock. It's currently 10 a.m. so I have about 8 hours to go. Let's see if we can finish it in this time. I'll just make a short list of things that need to be done today. So these are the things that we have to do. We have to do a valve alignment. We need new spark plugs, which I have right here. We have to connect the clutch wire. We have to set the ignition timing. We need to replace the oil pan and the oil. I've already taken the oil pan out. And I'm sure there are a few more things that need to be done that I'm just not thinking about right now. So I'll start off with taking off the valve cover and then the air intake. So I have a little bit of an easier access to the other side of the engine. So we have this handbook here, and it shows in pictures how exactly it's done. And I need 2 other tools for that, or I should rather say 3 other tools. We have this. I have, to be fair, no idea how it's called in English. It's basically just a bunch of metal in different thicknesses. So the tiniest is 0.05 millimeters, and the thickest is 0.9 millimeters. When I go back a little bit, you can see the rear valve opening a bit. When I turn to the front, let's say, ever so slightly, the other valve starts to open. It's a very minimal movement, but you can see it, I think. So I'll switch to my phone for a little second to show you something. I think my belt just gave up on me, literally in this very moment, and it's a new belt, come on. So I'm turning this pulley, and when turning, you can see this little marking on the bottom of the wheel here, and it has to align with these 3 lines on the other side. So I'll take this thing and set it to 0.20. I've already pre-selected it, and the 0.2 millimeter have to be exactly here. So I'll try to hand tighten first, so I can get the rough specs. Oh, see, it's already too strong. I'm pulling on it and it's not really going out. So just a bit less. So I've tightened it down again. I'll just double check. So the next thing on our agenda is the carburetor. There is a little valve that needs to be set to exactly 0.7 millimeters, and I've absolutely forgotten about it before installing the carburetor, so I'll have to do it right now. And the measurement I need is how far this thing travels. It should be 0.7 centimeters, so 7 millimeters. And I can regulate it by bending this little piece of metal that's starting to get on top when you push down on it. I have now set it to perfectly 0.7 millimeters. If I put the measuring thingy in, I can just barely scratch the surface, which is perfect. I stripped the bolt. Can you see it? This is a stripped bolt. I'll now try to take the entire linkage out, and let's see what I can come up with after that. I broke the choke cable now. Oh, god damn it. So now my only hope is that I still have enough of this cable. And oh no, I don't have enough cable. God damn it. The best thing would be to get this screw that's broken inside out of there.
This whole thing is up in flames. Your heart is lost, 'cause I know some things. Rearrange, shit switched around. I know some things. Don't fuck around. Soak that whole shit up like the fuse. Burning bridges, burning ties like the loot. A fiasco from the start, but the boy dig the energy into you.
So this thing here is the clutch cable, and this is the clutch itself. I cannot push it in with my hand. So this is the situation. This is the mount that I have forgotten about. It has to hold the line in this place on this exact screw. I'm not sure if you can see it, probably not. I found this little piece of metal. It's a little bit too big. Well, I should rather say it's too tall, because it has to be mounted on like this, and then the clutch cable would be routed through there. So I'll have to shorten it and drill a new hole.
Mentally, it was an intro, interlude, introduction. I was fresh out of love and up to nothing. Fuck it, fuck that. Rug rat, ride around with a shawty who about that. Fast forward, in between the summer thighs, under all the underlies. Thought you were finessing all the other guys. Try to keep it on the low, but I knew was a few, so I switched. I can root, yeah.
Is the mount perfect? Not really. Is it straight? Absolutely not. Will it work? I do hope so. I hope you can see the clutch. And I'll press the clutch now in the car itself. Let's see. Let's see if that works. Well, apparently it doesn't. Or barely. It should be adjusted now. So let's press the clutch and see. So the clutch feels awesome now. Wait, let me show it to you on the inside. See, it's perfectly level with the brake. When I press the clutch,
it comes back. Perfect.
So now it's finally time to install the oil pan. I'll just have to clean the area where it's mounted, and then I'll use some silicone and the original grommet to have it in place. And then I'll start off with the silicone. I hope it's still good. Yeah, it's good. So the oil pan is installed like this. And like this. So I have 1 more hour before starting to work, so I'll just top up the oil, top up the fuel, connect the battery, give it a crank to see if it's all good, and tomorrow I'll set the ignition and hopefully I'll have it running tomorrow. Another one of these bad boys. So I have disconnected the fuel line from the carburetor and I'll just suck on it so the fuel pump will get some fuel. Oh, you can see it coming here. Well, that would be it. I don't want to swallow any fuel. Everything is good, and I turned the key. There should be some fuel squirting out of here. Let's see if that works. So that's it. I've just checked the recording of the video that you have just seen, and the fuel is coming, which means the fuel pump is working, which means fuel is going to go into the carburetor. So the next thing that I need to do is the ignition timing, but for today I'll call it just off because I'm super tired and I have to work in half an hour. I'll just clean up the mess that I made in this garage because it's absolutely atrocious, and I'll get back to you tomorrow.
Shit don't feel the same, you know things. You wanna talk now, you know things.